Hi, this is Praveen Paudel, student ID S1459462. Today I'm gonna do assignment 1 for BIT362 Digital Forensics. In this task, I'm gonna do this following 5 tasks. So the first task is create a notepad file, write down your student number, open it with Winx and add your favorite movie title and save it as a new text file. Delete the file with your student number. So first let's open the notepad. Here it is. So I'll write down my student number, which is S1459462. So I'm gonna save it as student NUMBER student number. So now what I have to do is I need to open this file with WinHex. So I'll go to WinHex. Let's go to file, open student number. So this is the file with my student number S1459462. So I'm gonna replace my student ID number with my favorite movie name. So it's I'll give a space. Yeah, so this is the name of my movie, so name of my favorite movie. So I'm gonna save it as a new file. So favorite movie, that's it. Save. Now let me go to my documents. Here this is the file that I have recently edited using WinHex. So I'm gonna delete the file named student number. Yeah. So if I open the file, my favorite movie, it will ask me. So I'll open it with Notepad. So yeah, this is what I will see now. So the very first thing is done. So let's see the talks again. So here, number 2, research anti-forensic techniques such as data hiding, secure wiping, encryption, and misdirection. So I have researched some anti-forensic techniques, which are number 1, secure wiping. So secure wiping is basically deleting files and folders securely from our computers permanently without leaving any traces if possible. So I'm gonna use a application named Remo File Eraser that will help me delete my images pretty easily without leaving any traces back, so that I won't find it back in recycle bin or anything. It will be permanently deleted. So number 2 is hiding files. So hiding files basically means to keep files, data, and information invisible without deleting them. So I won't delete my files, but it will still be in my computer but will remain as hidden files. So for this task I'll use some commands in my command prompt and I'll try to hide my image. I'll show it later. So number 3 is steganography. So steganography is the technique of hiding secret data within an ordinary non-secret file. So what I will do as a part of steganography is I will hide some text within the image. So basically steganography is hiding something inside something else, so that the only sender and recipient and the receiver can see it. So I'll be using Quick Stego for this, which is an application designed for steganography. So number 4 is encryption. Encryption normally refers to the protection of data using keys like passwords, pins, patterns, and many more things. It is basically locking down something so that only the right person with the right encryption key, I mean password, pins, can access the files or folders. It prevents unauthorized access. So number 5 is misdirection. So basically misdirection is just about configuring files, their paths, format. So here I'm gonna do the change in the format of a file instead of changing the directory, so that, for example, if I change Microsoft Word file into a MP4 file, it won't show the original file is .doc. So the new file will be in .mp4 or something that will be of video, so that it's gonna so it will pretty much make confusion, so it will probably misguide. So this is what, so these are the references I have used. So let's go back to the assignment and see what we have to do. So number 3, so we have to implement at least 5 anti-forensic techniques, such as deleting a file, steganography, encryption, bad error segments, etc. So what I will do is I will follow the anti-forensic techniques that I have researched. So I'll start from the beginning. So number 1 was secure wiping. So secure wiping, so for secure wiping, I'll go to my computer. This is my USB. Here I've got few images that I'll be used for my anti-forensic techniques part. So digital forensics image. So I have got 1 2 3 4 5 images and a video file. So these are all the things that I have got. For example, this one is my headphone, this one keys, this one mobile, my Mikey pass, this one my perfume, and a video of all the supermarket catalogs. So the first thing is a part of secure wiping. I will try to remove headphones from my computer using Remo file eraser. So I have already installed Remo file eraser. So once I right click it, I get the Remo file eraser option. So I'll go to erase and delete. So I'll click S. It will, yeah, I'll click S. So the file headphones.jpg will be gone by now. Yeah, so we are no longer able to see the headphones.jpg file. So even if I search it in the
I can learn
sorry or even if I search my recycle bin, I won't find my headphones.jpg file because it has been permanently deleted. So the file I deleted first, the student number, I can still see that in recycle bin, though but the file name headphones, no, it's no longer in the recycle bin. So that's secure wiping. That's pretty much it for secure wiping. So number 2, I'm gonna do, what is number 2, hiding files. So to hide the files, I will go to my command prompt in my desktop. So I will type the command attrib plus s space plus r plus h space, and then I'll drag the file that I want to hide. So I want to hide my mobile. So if I want to hide my mobile, so what I have to do is I have to type in my command line attrib plus s plus r plus h and the file. So as you can see, I have copied my image that I want to hide, so I'll just click enter. So this was my file. This was the thing that was actually in the file. So I'll go to the command prompt, type this thing, press enter. So by now the file mobile should be hidden. So let's close the command prompt. Let's go back to our files with the images. Okay, so here as we can see, the file mobile.jpg is no longer available. Here it's hidden, but it's not in its original default location, so it's not deleted, but it's just hidden. So that's it for hiding files. So number 3 is steganography. So for steganography I'll be using QuickStego, which I have already downloaded. So this is QuickStego. So I'll open it. I'll open an image. So my image was in my USB, so digital forensics image. So I will do some changes on my MyKeyPass. So I will choose MyKeyPass. So this is my MyKeyPass, and I want to hide something here as a part of my anti-forensic technique. So I will type text. So I'll be hiding my secret text in my image of my MyKey file. So the secret text can be anything like I have left $500 inside the locker. I have left $500 inside the locker underneath your bed. So if I want to text someone this thing without letting any others see, so I will choose steganography, because I can still send the image but with the text hidden in it. So I will click on hide text. So you can see the text message is now hidden in image. So this is what QuickStego helps us to do. So you can save the image, mykeypass.bmp, save it. Yeah, you can close this one. So only the receiver can see it, or the sender can see the text inside the hidden image. So I'll go back to my digital. So mykeypass.bmp is the new file that has been created after adding hidden text. So I'll be deleting mykeypass.jpg. I guess it's already deleted. Yep. So mykeypass.bmp. This is what it looks like, but it has got a hidden text in it, as we saw on QuickStego. So now I'll be implementing the fourth anti-forensic technique, which is encryption. So I'll be using passwords as a part of my encryption. So let me go back to my images. So these are my keys that I won't let anyone see without password. So what I can do is, I have got an application named PhotoCrypt. So where is PhotoCrypt? So I'll open the PhotoCrypt. I'll choose image, so I'll browse it. it's in my USB, which is probably digital forensics images. So I'll choose keys and I'll choose encrypt with password. I'll give the password, for example, 4567. I'll confirm the password. I can choose delete image source files, so and choose an encrypt. Okay, so file not, it says file not found. Let me see if it's, so what's going on. So here, keys, as you can see, my file keys, they have been changed into .bin format. So I need something else to open the bin format, then I will have to type the password. So encryption can be done in other way as well. I will do encryption in, for example, okay, I'll do encryption in my MyKeyPass again. So this time I'll be using what should I use? Okay, I'll be using WinRAR. So I'll click on add to archive. So here you can set password and you can enter password 12345. So password, encrypt file names. Okay, click on OK. Oh, you set password 12345. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So MyKeyPass, you can see, like, now you can delete this MyKeyPass.jpg file, and if you want to open it, you need a new password. So it will ask, and you have to type your password to get into it. So this is one of the good way to protect your data from unauthorized access, and this is one of the very best anti-forensic techniques. So like, even the forensic investigators have to work really hard to find the files you have hidden. So the more stronger the encryption key is, the more secure the file is. So I have done, I guess, 4 anti-forensic techniques. Now I'll be doing misdirection as a part of my last anti-forensic technique. So for this, I'll go back to my file again, digital forensic. Here I've got an mp4 file which is a video. So here I'm opening a catalog of all the shopping center. So I'm gonna change the extension of this file so it no longer looks like a video file. So I'll replace it mp4 with doc. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. So as you can see, it is changed now into Microsoft Word format, so it won't be opened that easily. Yeah, you will no longer be able to see that video file. So encryption is the best way to be used as a part of anti-forensic technique. So that's it. That's all the techniques I have applied. Thank you.